Hey, what's up everybody? Your favorite chef is here. You're watching Times Cook channel and today we are making coffee cookies. So stay tuned and let's go forward on making that recipe. We are live guys, let's go on. In one bowl add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and then add a small amount of water and then you're gonna combine everything together until everything is combined. Put on the side and then on another bowl add 1/3 cup of butter or 75 grams, and of course it's room temperature butter, not cold one, just took it from the fridge. You need to prepare everything so you can use for a recipe. And then you're gonna add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar or 85 grams. Combine everything until it's smooth, until there is no any scrambles. It with spatula or any weapon that you have that you can use it, and then you're gonna add 1 single egg yolk, and then you're gonna repeat that step by combining. And our next step, it will be to add that instant coffee mixture and then add to that bowl that we combine our butter and powdered sugar and egg yolk. Combine also everything that with spatula. It's so easy guys, you don't need to think so much, just prepare everything and everything will be fine. You can guess what our next steps are, I'll tell you, and that's add half cup of flour and then add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and then add cornstarch. Combine everything together with spatula. You can use stand mixer, but we know that our hand can do better job. And yes, of course, when you did that, put on the side or in fridge or outside if it's cold in your country for half an hour to 1 hour, depend how it's cold in your room or fridge or outside. Next step is to get out from fridge or outside and then take 1 small teaspoon and grab that nice mixture and combine with your hands and try to make similar as Coffe Bean. It doesn't need to be perfect because we are not professionals. Put on baking paper and align. You should get around 20 bowls or 20 small coffee beans. In the meantime, I forgot to tell you is to turn on the oven for 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit. And of course, when everything is done, and then you're gonna put outside or in fridge for 10 minutes. It should be probably around that time that your oven will be heated. So straight from fridge or outside, put in oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it guys, enjoying my beautiful b-roll scenes with these beautiful coffee beans that I make it for you, for my fat ass and your skinny ass. If you're skinny, doesn't matter. And that's all guys, thanks for watching. I hope guys that you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. And also put in the comment section below if you have any comments or any requests about that.